It's the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, the 9th of December. I'm James Spann. Colder air settles in here tomorrow, but no rain for a while. Looks like the next chance of showers about Monday night of next week. Let's take a look out the window with the sky cam shots today. First off, this is coming from Birmingham. The sky there is sunny with only a few fair weather cumulus clouds around. Up north, though, it's more cloudy-ish. This is the Huntsville sky cam in Research Park up in the Tennessee Valley. A few rays of sun there. And speaking of crepuscular rays, nice shot there. That was in Chattanooga, Tennessee today along Interstate 24. Big trough over the east, and that is going to pull down some colder air tomorrow for us, and that is spinning up a storm in the northeast this afternoon. 998 millibar low is just east of the Jersey Shore. Coastal rain, interior snow, and very windy up there. Temperature is all over the board. Up where the clouds are in place, it's only 46 in Muscle Shoals. That colder air beginning to drop in from the north. But down where the sun is shining, Birmingham is at 60. But everybody will see highs back in the 40s tomorrow. We figure for Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Anniston, Gadsden, mid to upper 40s tomorrow. That's about 10 degrees below average for mid-December. And you can see that surge of colder air dipping into the United States from the north. Nothing excessively cold, but it's certainly cold enough. We got winter storm warnings in effect for the interior parts of New England this evening. And out west, flash flood watches and warnings and winter storm warnings in effect for the Sierra Nevada mountains as a Pacific storm moves inland. Big rains out there, beneficial for Northern California. Some spots getting over 8 inches over the next 5 days. For us, though, nothing. This is the rain valid through Sunday evening. Looks like our next chance of shower should be about Monday night of next week. Let's check the GFS. This is the global forecast system, valid tomorrow at noon Central Time at 500 millibars, upper low near New York City. Down below that, there's a surface low in the same area, still very unsettled and windy and snowy and rainy for the northeast. But for us, just kind of cold. The NAM is printing a high of only 44. The GFS is at 51. The truth probably somewhere in between. We'll say upper 40s for now with a mix of sun and clouds. The day should be dry. Thursday morning should be our coldest morning. We'll expect upper 20s to start the day. The sky should be sunny on Thursday with a high around 50. And this is Friday. Again, a cold morning. We'll start the day around freezing. High Friday should be in the upper 50s as a warming trend begins. The weekend looks good. This is Saturday, a bright sunny day with a high around 60. And Sunday, how about sunny and 62? Sounds pretty good. Great weather for the weekend. We notice rain breaking out over Texas, and this is Monday of next week. There's your shortwave coming through the Arklatex region. Down below that at midday Monday, rain should be moving into Memphis and the Mississippi Delta. This is Monday night at midnight. That batch of showers coming in here doesn't look especially heavy. Certainly no chance of any severe weather and probably not much thunder. But again, we note our last system, at the end of last week, overperformed. Maybe this one will too, but for the moment, it doesn't look like a big rain producer. Rain amounts probably under 1/2 inch. And then by midday Tuesday, everything is on to the east and we begin to clear. And no really cold air behind that feature. Go out there a little later in the week. This is Friday, December 19th. Boy, it's a good-looking surface low near Mobile. That looks awfully wet. This happens to be the case. And the next one like that comes along Christmas Eve. This is December 24th, and hey, look out now if this is right. Louisville and Lexington and maybe Nashville would see some snow from that, but just rain here. But again, this is pure voodoo. This will probably change radically the next time we see model output, but the idea and a couple of coastal lows looking pretty good later in the month, but there's really no cold air, so unfortunately for the snow lovers, it looks just like rain. This is the upper air pattern. This is on Christmas Day. You can see heights a little below average here, but still, there's just not a sign of any big Arctic blast for the rest of the month, at least for the next 15 days. This is the temperature trend coming off the GFS ensemble. And if you average all those numbers out, they come out to about average for this time of the year. Off the European, the Arctic oscillation stays positive. The North Atlantic oscillation stays positive, and as long as that's the case, it'll be hard to get really bitterly cold air down in here. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.